crash right off the
Yeah,
bat.
there's a weird crinkle right off the bat, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Anyway, how's it going?
Not too bad. Just got rolled bad. So, okay,
Same.
time to platoon up. Figure I might as well kick the stream on.
Oh yeah, I was thinking about it, but oh, I saw you just went live.
Except I don't know where. Tier 9. How fast is that tank? I can never remember.
I would say moderately slow. It's not as bad as like an STI or E75, but it's not a 103. It's kind of in between. It can hit 25 to 30.
Alright, let me pick.
I just got it back on the sale, so I'm kind of working on it a bit.
75. Maybe I'll run this. I haven't run an IS-8 in forever.
Sounds good. Ooh, they're very heavy, at least at the top.
Yep.
Of course, this is a bad sign if this is how our matchmaking is going to go.
Yeah. Might be a short stream session today. Well, that's weird. Just on, oh, what map is it? Town map with the hill in Blanken. I haven't had any beer today. And
Town map with the hill.
Middleburg.
Oh, Middleburg,
And,
yeah.
like, I had all 5 of the team just sit right next to me where I was trying to bob and weave a little over the hill in an E5, and they all sat right next to me so I couldn't move. And finally I'm just
my gosh.
Screw it, I'm out of here. And I'm gonna try to loop around to the right here since I can't quite
Sounds
hang.
good.
Yeah, so I go over the hill and I get like instantly destroyed.
It sounds like it was similar to my experience. I was on black.
Ooh. This is my life. I just bounced off the lower plate of a comet.
Oh my gosh, an IS-8.
Hey, seriously. Oh, hey, they're all here, by the way.
I got 2 of the 9 heavies here.
Okay. Well, I'll just keep fighting all 3 of these guys then.
Oh. Not sure what he hit there, but okay.
Wow, got quite the menagerie going tonight with that squeaky toy.
Oh, I know. Sorry, that's why I wasn't on yet
Sounds
before.
like a jungle. It's like the monkeys are screeching.
That's how he rolls. Good news is I think the STI went AFK. He hasn't moved his turret.
I'm not sure why I'm shooting feet at a pancake.
That's a good question.
Oh, now I'm getting flanked. Good stuff.
Trying to get through this STI and then
one shots over here.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good at least. Trying to kill this thing, but the T-32 won't get out of it. There we go.
It's a waste of a shot. Alright, I'll be there in a minute.
No problem. I think we're
It looks
okay.
like you have it well in hand.
Yep, just
Yep.
the 103.
And he's on fire.
Wow,
And slightly
just
not.
let it burn.
Yeah, I wouldn't bother either.
Well, yeah, just been.
Why wait? Lose the cash.
That's right. Just sad to sit there and watch it burn. Yeah, good game. Went pretty well.
It's easy to get a steel wall when you got a comet shooting at you.
I know, right? You're like, yes, please, give me 11
Yeah.
hits. Yeah, I don't really care. I'm just all over the place right now since I only have one grind. A fail tune is always promising. Yeah, he is really attacking the ball.
Well, get the hill, go, go, go. Alright, we got two at least.
Should be enough, considering they only have two.
Alright, Panther, push me. There we go.
I'm sure that's really making you fly.
Well, him ramming into me bounced me up a little bit, and that was about it. Considering that he's barely passing me at this point. Okay, well this is interesting.
It is. Well, we've got two camping, I'm sure, because they've got two turretless. And then I'm assuming the rest are going to flank. I'm going to set up for that.
Yep. I'll take a peek over here and see if I can. Yep, there's the
Oh. Alright, never mind. I'm going to shoot at that. Or, since they're just hanging out in the open.
Yep.
Oh.
Thanks to the Panther for getting in my way. Ah!
IS-6 is the flanker.
They're pretty much all here. The Patton's back here. Object's back here. Object just moved though.
I bounced the IS-6 somehow. Nope. Oh, there's the others.
Yep, there you go, Panther, you can die. I'm coming, bud. Coming back.
Alright. Not too worried about it. Oof. What an awful bounce. I'm not connecting very well here.
Sure ran me. Dummy.
Oh my gosh, I left the Patton with the T-29 because he was one shot and apparently couldn't handle it. I guess I gotta go. Oh, finally. Well, you had a good game. I feel like I didn't shoot anything. Just kept missing.
I felt like I moved around more than I shot at anything. Yeah, you did fine.
Yeah. It didn't feel like I did that much. Of course, that's like 4
I
shots. So
spent most of my time trying to move around that panther that was up on the hill with me who kept getting in the way.
yeah. Well, I don't care. Whatever you want is fine. Huh. Yeah, I don't. You can leave it if you want. Alright, what are you feeling? That works. I don't run that much anymore.
One second. Got something messed up in my stream chat. Oh no. Somebody has a background color, that's all. I'm like, why isn't this showing up well on my screen? It's because it's red. I can't read it.
Storm Fortress, huh? Really wish they'd rework the spawn points on this map.
Yep. I hate being on this side regardless, so.
Yeah, I know. I do too. The other side's better in pretty much every way.
Yep. Oh, this is getting awkward fast. Anything?
Nope. I walked all the way out, so they're all flanking and camping. Let us group up here a little bit, I guess, before we haul down. They only have 2 TD. Oh, there they are. Can't do much with that STI.
Oh, not even with heat.
Yeah, I've got a couple little gray spots with heat.
Yeah,
Oh, I was hoping to put one into him so he'd get nervous.
I know that 234 was.
There we go. It is Coppola. That's a long
Nice.
way out. Oh, that was his mantlet. He's gonna get nervous if we get a couple more at him.
Ooh, I just heard some heat flinging by me.
There he moved. Alright.
Come on, gun. There we go. Yeah.
Just Patton is laser focused on something behind me. Wow. Everyone's kill stealing.
Yeah, sorry.
It's alright. It doesn't matter.
One of them was me. There's a
Learning from Mastiff.
Oh,
do
there
what
he
we
goes.
can.
Ooh, I finally got one. Oh, I guess there.
Yeah.
No, I've never seen the Centurion yet.
No, it means he's got to be down. Whee!
House Spires. Okay. Yeah, other side. There he is. That is not the smartest place to be.
Yep, just stay right there. You'll be all good.
That was easier than it should have been.
Yeah. What's going on, Boom?
Just got home.
How's the shoulder?
Still hurts. But I did manage to I attacked my first ditch today.
Uh-oh. You guys got a lot of snow out there this morning, didn't you?